Honda Civic FD 2006 to 2012 version. Installed 360 camera and 10.1-inch Android player with good fitting OEM casing. So this is 360 camera. Side camera, front camera, side camera, install Onego Android player 10.1-inch, 2 plus 32 GB with good fitting OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. Connect back original steering control. Okay. So for 360 camera, you can control by remote control. Sensor is here. So this is sensor. So bird view, front view, reverse view, left hand side view, right hand side view. So after that he will turn back to front view 10 seconds. Okay. So you can use remote control to control it. Side view, left hand side view, front view, rear view. So surrounding view, rear view, front view, front view, rear view. Okay, so 360 Cogoo 360 camera, dark view camera can use to record, so can use at DVR recorder. So you have to plug in a pen drive. So you need to plug in here pen drive. So after you plug in pen drive, it will automatic record all the things. Okay. So for Android player, you can Bluetooth your phone with connecting your Bluetooth, so you can phone call, Bluetooth music, available to connect Wi-Fi. You can share your data. So full menu. Log in your Gmail to download any apps at the Play Store, and you can connect internet to Google Chrome, YouTube, Waze. So this one got equalizer band 12 band equalizer to setting. Okay, so install by 1bis. Thank you.